Yeah. So guys, I'm here with Dennis Omolo, KPA men's volleyball team captain. Deno ni aje? I'm basically here because of you guys, your preparation towards the club championship. In fact, Misha prepare now. You guys are ready. You are jetting out of the country tomorrow. So to start with, what should Kenyans expect in this year's club championship from KPA?
Okay, what I can say, this year preparation yetu imekuwa better kushinda hizo the previous years. Tumepewa time nzuri na the company, so we're expecting a better performance compared to the previous years. Yeah, so tunaahidi wa Kenya this year performance itakuwa better kidogo. Yes.
The other time you were with Small, you were very anaitwa hiyo ni diehard. You are diehard fan. He was very optimistic that this time you guys are going to win the club championship. Do you think so?
Winning club championship si tunaweza predict. The competition there is not competition iko juu kidogo, so sisi kitu tunataka tucheze vizuri compared to last year. At least tukuje, like the first time tulienda huko tulikuwa number 5, last year tulikuwa number 7, so we are hoping this year depending on when we prepare, we are hoping performance yetu itakuwa better kidogo.
Previously tumeona kama KPA wamekuanga wakireinforce with some good players from other teams. Last year we saw you guys taking Davis Ogutu and Matthias from GSU. Apparently this year you haven't done that. Does it mean that mko naitwaje, like mko tu sawa, you don't need reinforcement?
We used to reinforce because tulikuwa na maybe loopholes kidogo, so tulikuwa tunataka tukaze watu watukazie. But this year ukiangalia hata performance yetu ya ligi, the new signings that we have proved that wanaweza, so hakukuwa na reason ya kureinforce because we felt everyone is good, kila mtu perform. So the company, the management waliamua wacha watu wapelekwe wote. Yeah, kila mtu aenda ajitetee. Yeah, but the new signings we have this year wako sawa, wameprove wako sawa.
So mkisema like the new signings wako sawa, inamaanisha the whole team is traveling?
Yeah, the whole team is traveling.
Okay.
Yes.
So inaenda kwa exposure poa for every player.
Yeah, itakuwa a very good exposure.
Now the whole team traveling, meaning everybody is going to play?
No, the TC4 only consists of 14 players. Yeah, but we are traveling 18.
TC4 ya majuu pia ni consistent ama you can change today, kesho mweke mtu mwingine?
You cannot change.
Okay.
Yeah, ukiweka day 1 ni hivyo itatumika.
So jana tumeona Ladies Club Championship imeisha pale in Nigeria and the competition was very stiff. Zamalek ladies retained their title. Compared to you guys, do you think like it's going to be the same, like those who won last year are still going to be the winners, ama you guys are going to pose a tough challenge for them?
Ukiangalia ile turnout ya teams ya this year, kuna teams zimeongezeka, like Zamalek haikuwa last year, this year wako. There are so many teams from Libya, karibu 4, so you can't predict that, but what we know, competition itakuwa higher kushinda last year. Ndio maana hata sisi tumekuwa na a better preparation. So we are hoping for, tunajua competition itakuwa juu, ndio maana sisi pia tuko ready. Huwezi sema like Al-Ahly ilikuwa number 1, you can't say that wata retain. You get, so ni ngumu, so huwezi predict.
Yeah.
Yes.
So ya mwisho ni after mkitoka club championship, you guys are coming back for the Kenya playoffs,
Yes.
and you are facing Trailblazers in your first quarter. What can you tell Trailblazers, and what can you tell these other teams that are not going for club championship? Because we believe that when you guys go for club championship, it's kind of a build up towards the KVF playoffs.
Uh, you can't say that I'm telling Trailblazers to be ready, but what we want is tukirudi, like tunataka hii club championship itusaidie venye umesema ni build up.
Yeah.
Tukirudi tucheze vizuri, that's what we always want. Tucheze vizuri better than venye tulicheza before. Yeah, so na hiyo quarter finals itakuwa I think the first week or the second week after tumetoka kule. So tunasema tukikutana tuna Trailblazers tutacheza tu ile yetu. Yeah,
So just before I forget, mention like you guys mmekuwa na new signings that have proved that they can do it, but tukisema those guys who you used to reinforce with ni wazoefu, like somebody like Ugutu is used to club championship. Don't you think that somebody like maybe Regan, this is his first time in club championship, don't you think that maybe mtu anaweza kuwa overwhelmed or something?
what I can say, like sisi wote tunaenda club championship, tuliwahi kuwa na first time hata sisi. Yeah, so kuna kwanga na ile ya umekutana na new players, new teams, so kuna ile challenge mentally kidogo, but after a few days kuna adjust. Hata sisi first time tukienda kuna shindwa teams inacheza aje, but we believe ata adapt, ata adjust haraka. Yeah, si challenge kubwa.
Okay. So what can you tell your diehard fans like Nyakwarsara, Small, because they are really looking up to you guys?
Yeah, kwanza sisi tuna appreciate sana ile support wanatupea. Yeah, unajua fans kama wanawaaminia, hata nyinyi mnakuwa na ile moyo, and tunasema this time I hope the games will be aired, itakuwa clear.
Yeah.
Tutaperform vizuri. Yeah, tutawapea zile results wana expect. Yes, tutajaribu. Yes.
So then we wish you guys all the best. Represent Kenya vizuri, and we hope that you guys bring ninyi mnafaitia medals, not cup, the title. We hope you guys bring the title back, you GSU and Kenya Prison. Ukipatana huko mgote Esokon na Makutu.
So,
All the best.
asante bro.
All the best, KPA.